Hey everyone, it's Casey from Stadium Goods, and we're here at my house. I wish we were at the store, but I'm home staying safe. I hope you guys are also home staying safe. Today we're going to get into a few shoes from my collection. These aren't exactly my grails, but they're definitely a few shoes that's been really special to me lately. And there's three things that make a shoe special to me. That's the classic silhouette, comfort, or if they were designed by a woman. Jordan 2 Chicago Home. And when this shoe last re-retroed in 2014, I was not searching for this shoe at all. It was up until sometime last year I see this shoe and I'm like, why don't I have this shoe in my collection already? It's literally everything I love in this shoe. Classic silhouette, comfortable, and this is one of the original Jordan 2 colorways. Michael played in this shoe, not exactly this one because it's the 2014 pair, and this is a size 5. Size 5, brand new, was literally impossible to find at that time. Still probably pretty hard to find, size 5 brand new. So I'm really glad I got it at the time that I did. And pre-quarantine, it's been really fun to wear. A lot of OG sneakerheads have been wanting to talk about these when I'm wearing them outside, so these have been really fun. And the next shoe that's been really special to me, believe it or not, is this Yeezy Slide. This is a Yeezy Slide in the resin colorway. This is my most recent purchase, but these are super comfortable. I haven't taken them off since I received them, and they've been making me feel a lot better about having to stay in the house. So I might get these in the other colorways. They come in bone and they come in brown. The only thing is they run really small. I'm usually a size 5. I had to get these in a size 6. So if you're looking to get these, definitely get at least one size up. I was actually really surprised that these came in pretty much the original Yeezy box. Almost every Yeezy comes in a box similar to this, but they would say what shoe they are right here. So this is really neat, and I love these. These are extremely comfortable. And the last shoe that's been really special to me lately, designed by a woman, are these Aleali May Jordan 1s. So these were actually inspired by the original Biotech Dunk, released in 2002. Pretty much the same orange and blue toe box, same Bordeaux back. And this is actually my second pair. So my first pair, I literally still have worn them through everything. I wore them at all the wrong moments, through the rain, snow, you name it. And this suede is not fun wearing through the rain and snow. They probably don't look as beat on camera, but these are in bad condition. I only bought my second pair because in 2019, those original Biotech Dunks re-released. So I bought those because I love that colorway so much, bought them, get them home, and I'm like, I love this colorway, but I didn't really want it in a Dunk Low, I just didn't. So I sold those immediately, used that money to buy these, and I was gonna wait till summer to wear these again, but as soon as quarantine is over, as soon as we can go back outside, these are going straight to feet. So I'm glad I got these. They've been really special to me lately. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I can see you guys when the store reopens again. But until then, you can still shop at stadiumgoods.com, or you can shop our app, Stadium Goods, available on iOS and Android. Stay home.